Welcome to online classes. Today we'll go for Boolean algebra. Already in the previous classes we already completed one problem over here. Today we'll see that the problem can't be here. So today we'll go for this one. These two problems. Actually I have given the assignment for these two problems over here. So today let us go for this how to solve this problem over here. So let us consider for this one the first one. So first what we need to do here? First we need to do here, that is first write down the total number of variables is x, y and as well as a z. So total we have a 3 variables. Write down the 3 variables x, y and as well as z. So as I told you that if 3 variables is nothing but 2 to the power of 3, that is nothing but 8 over here. So 8 in the sense 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now let us start with expanding the equation. First we have a x into y complement plus z complement plus xy complement. So we need a complement of y complement and as well as a z complement. So not required for x complement. So just go for finding the y complement and z complement. So here complement in the sense that is reciprocal of the previous variable, that if it is 0 make it as a 1, so then it is 0, it is a 1, this way 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So y complement in the sense 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Z complement 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is the way of finding the values of the with respect to the variables over here. Next we have a equation, compound equation, that is y complement plus z complement and x into y complement we have here. Either you can go for this one, either you can go for this one. No problem, just we will go for first find the value of x into y complement. X into y complement. So x into y complement in the sense x we have a value, y in the sense y complement. It is x dot in the sense 0 into 1 1 0, 0 into 1 0, 1 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0. Clear? Next go over finding the y plus z complement. So we have a y complement and as well as z complement. We need to go for a addition here. So 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. Next finding the x into multiplication, that is x into the whole term of y complement and z complement. So here x into this term, x we have value here, that is x into whole term. 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0, it is a 0. Next whole term we have here x y complement plus z complement plus xy complement. This is the way of calculating the whole equation. Now we need to find out the whole equation. We already expand the equation separately, xy complement, that is xy complement, y complement plus z complement and as well as x into y complement plus z complement. After finding the value of the separate equations, then go for finding the whole equation, the whole term plus this term plus this term. So here is this term. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. This is the way of calculating the equation of this statement over here. Clear? So now we will go for second one, that is a into whole term b complement plus c complement. So we have here, as I told you that first differentiate the equation into n number of parts over here. So we have first compound sum, take it as this one and find out the value of this one and make it merge these two terms, find out the value for that one, and later it will whole term should be multiplied with the a over here. So first we will go for finding the, we require what are the variables we require the value here, b complement and c complement. A complement is not required, so we will go for only b complement and as well as a c complement. So b complement in the sense 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So this is here b complement over here. Next, c complement required over here. C complement 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Next, whole term, that is b complement plus c. B complement plus c. So b complement plus c. So 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. Here, next, this into this multiplication, that is b complement plus c complement this into this plus this, 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 1. So now it is the whole term, that is a into b plus c complement. Clear? This is a way of finding the equations using the truth table. Now we will go for a into, that is this term plus this term. 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 it is a 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 1 1, 1, 1 into 1 1. So this is the way of calculation of the Boolean algebra equation using the truth table. Okay, then we will go for next one, that is basic logic gates. Basic logic gates. Here, basic logic gates in a sense, before going to what, first we need to know what is a logic gate. What is a logic gate here? Logic gate, it is a kind of electronic circuit which can able to perform on the one or more input devices which produce only one output devices, that is called as a logic gate, we need to say here. Generally the logic gates are three types. One is NOT gate, or sometimes we need to say it is a inverter. Second one, it is OR gate and AND gate. These are the three types of gates are present in the basic logic gate. Don't get confusion in terms of, previously we have discussed the NOT operator. It is a operator. Here it is a gate. Gate is a kind of a basic electronic circuit which can able to take the one input and present the basic one output over here. We are going to perform on the electronic circuit over here. For that sake we are pronounce that NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. Clear? In the previous class we have taken as a NOT operation, OR operator, AND operator. Now we are going to use as a NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. So these are the three types of basic logic gates are present in the gates over here. NOT gate is sometimes also called as an inverter, OR gate and as well as a AND gate over here. Let us go with the one by one. The first one, NOT gate. As per the NOT gate, that is low if it is a high. Low in the sense it is a 0, high in the sense it is a 1 over here. So if it is a low, then it must be a high. If it is high, then it must be a low over here. So this can be written as 0 1 1 0. This is the way of logic gate truth table. So next, OR gate. So logical gate over here. So here x y and as well as x or y. It is a 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So what exactly is saying that OR gate is an electronic circuit which takes two variables as an input which produce only one output, which is in the form of logical addition operator or x or y. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1, it is a 1. Clear? It is a OR gate truth table. In the examination, if you need to answer that, write down the truth table for OR gate. You will write down the OR gate truth table like this. Clear? And don't write as like a AND. You should use as a don't use any kinds of operator like or like this. You should use as a or x or y, and don't write again it is x plus y like this. So it is illegal. So you should use as a x or y over here. Next, come back with the AND gate. So what exactly the AND gate? So before going to AND gate, we need to know that what kind of logic gate, what kind of logic circuit can be created using this table over here. So as per you are using as OR gate. OR gate in the sense we supposed to use like this. This is a symbol where we are using as OR gate. So here we are using as a x and y as a input and z as a output. Z in the sense x or y it is. X or y it is. So this is the way of targeting. In examination they will directly ask that write down the truth table for the OR gate and as well as and draw the logic circuit diagram for the OR gate. So you need to use that. This is the logic circuit diagram for the OR gate. Now we will go with the AND gate. So what exactly the AND gate is saying that? So AND gate is saying that x or y or z, that is f, make it as a f. That is. So f in the sense it is a x and y it is. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. So 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 1 0, 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. For this is logic diagram is this is x, this is y, this is f. F is equal to x and y. So this is a AND gate, logical AND gate circuit. So be careful with in examination. He will ask the draw the for this one it is x complement. So here this is the way of drawing the logic circuit diagram for OR gate, NOT gate and as well as a AND gate, and these are the truth table for the AND gates.